So at last, it's 31st morning and we are at
Paris.
yes.
Bucket
and
list ticked off.
Leave an empty spot as you move forward, just to come back and see it filled up. And that's how life is. You always get to make the choice to keep all that you have and stay where you are, or to risk it all to take a step forward. You know you might end up losing every single bit. Might end up being just another one of those who never made it. But that's the gamble. And it's a good thing. And if you're too tired, too afraid, I hope you have already achieved it all. I hope you never look back, never regret. And if not, if you are willing to risk it all to take one step forward towards the unknown, you are my man.